my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
This cocktail is one of the truest tests of time. It is the martini. Famous today for having either vodka or gin, but back in the early 20th century, this was a drink that was traditionally made with gin, dry vermouth, and a little bit of orange bitters. So martini is a very personal choice today. Everyone has their own way, their own secret formula of doing it. But it's only 3 ingredients. The key is you need to ask the right questions to the guest. Number 1, do they want gin or do they want vodka? Number 2, do they want it straight up? That is, in a martini glass, or would they like it served on ice, on the rocks in a short glass? How would they like that cocktail made? Do they want it shaken or stirred? James Bond is very famous for always wanting his shaking, not stirred. Then finally is what garnish do they want? Would they like it served with an olive or would they like it served with a twist? Now I'm going to show you a gin martini made the original way, early 20th century, done with dry vermouth, gin, and a dash of orange bitters. And I'm going to do ours straight up in a martini glass, stirred, and with an olive garnish. Let's get into it. So first thing we do, we get our glassware and we just want to chill the glassware down. So I'm just going to add some ice to the martini glass and set it aside so that can start chilling the glass. This cocktail is served straight up, so a chilled glass just means the cocktail is going to be colder when it's given to the guest. A little touch, but it's really important. Next thing is we want to get our mixing glass. This is going to be a stirred martini, so we want to stir it inside a mixing glass. Then we get the ingredients. Got my dry vermouth. Going to pour an ounce. And then as we're doing a gin martini, I'm going to use my gin and I'm going to do 2 ounces. And as we're doing the classic way, just going to put a dash of orange bitters in the martini. So very simple, just have 3 ingredients in here. Now all we need to do is stir and chill the cocktail down. So add my ice, get my bar spoon, and I'm just going to stir this. We're going to stir this around about 20 to 30 times. Now as this is mixing, it's just getting cold, it's diluting, and it's going to be perfect for drinking. Once we've done that, we're going to get rid of the ice in the martini glass, shake off the excess water. Going to grab our strainer, put it over the mixing glass, and then we're just going to pour that in. And then simply we just need to garnish this. For this one, we're going to use an olive. Now there's a general rule amongst bartenders is that you can't use even number with olives when you do the martini. Bit of a folklore. But if you're using premium queen olives, 1 big olive really does the job. And we just put that on a nice skewer. And that there would be the classic gin martini.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.